next example, find n belongs to I. Find integer n belongs to I such that mod of 2n divided by n plus 3. Here sequence is given that sequence is 2n divided by n plus 3. Their limit is 2 and value of epsilon is 1 by 5 for all n greater equal n. Okay, condition is this n is greater equal n. Okay, so here this example we have to finding this n. Okay, so let solution of this example, let sequence Sn is given that 2n divided by n plus 3. Okay, and also you are given that also given that limit of limit is L is equal to 2. Okay, here limit L is equal to 2 is given here. Okay, so Sn minus L is less than 1 upon 5. So considering mod Sn minus L, we have to finding n. Okay, consider mod Sn minus L is equal to, so here denominator is taking denominator same, we get n plus 3. Okay, then 2n minus 2n plus 3, we get 3 divided by n plus 3. Okay, 2n get cancelled, remaining only 3 into 2 6. Here their value is minus 6. Okay, so minus 6 divided by n plus 3. 2 into 2n minus 2n minus 6 divided by n plus 3 is equal to minus 6 divided by n plus 3. Okay, and their value is less than 1 by 5. Okay, their value is less than 1 by 5 is given. 1 by 5 is equal to epsilon, so which implies that mod 6 divided by n plus 3 is less than 1 by 5. Their modulus of this term is 6 divided by n plus 3 is strictly less than 5, which implies that 6 divided by n plus 3 is less than 1 by 5, which implies that 30 is less than n plus 3. Solving this 5 into 3, 6 into 5 is strictly less than n plus 3 into 1. Okay, which implies that 30 minus 3 is strictly less than n, which implies that 27 is less than n. We have to find n. Okay, we have to finding n since condition is n is greater equal n, but n is strictly less than n. 27 is strictly less than n, which implies that we choose n is equal to, if we choosing n is equal to 28, why to choosing n is equal to 28? Because if we choosing n is equal to 27, then if we choosing n is equal to 27, then n is strictly greater than n. Okay, n is strictly greater than n. So condition is here n is greater equal n. So here to choosing integer n means 28, then n may be, or n always less equal n is greater equal n. So therefore here we choosing n is equal to 28, then we have to find, then we have n is greater equal n, and therefore value of n is 28. Okay, therefore value of n is equal to 28. How to finding their value only? So this n is satisfy this condition. Okay, this n is satisfy this condition. So here n is strictly less than 27, then 28. If we take in 28, 28 is always less equal small n. Okay, 28 is less equal n, so this condition satisfy n. If we taking n is equal to 28, then n is greater equal n. Okay, so this is one example so finding n. Then next example by using epsilon n definition. Example, by using epsilon n definition, prove that limit n tends to infinity 1 upon root n plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, that means to show that this sequence Sn has limit 0. Okay, so by using epsilon n definition, let given sequence Sn is equal to n runs from 1 to infinity, Sn is equal to 1 upon root n plus 1. Okay, n runs from 1 to infinity. So claim is, or here to prove is, limit n tends to infinity 1 upon root n plus 1 is equal to 0, means this sequence Sn has a limit is 0. So by using epsilon n definition, so for all epsilon greater than 0, we have to find n belongs to I such that mod of Sn minus L is less than epsilon whenever n is small n is greater equal n. Okay, so consider that is mod Sn minus limit is 0 is less than epsilon for all n greater equal n. Okay, so consider this condition, consider this modulus Sn minus 0 is equal to, Sn is value of Sn is 1 upon root n plus 1 minus 0 is minus 0, then their value is mod 1 upon root n plus 1. Okay, mod n plus 1 here clearly which is less than epsilon, their modulus is clearly 1 upon root n plus 1, clearly 1 upon root n plus 1 is less than epsilon. Okay, clearly 1 upon root n plus 1 is less than epsilon. Okay, take epsilon is equal to any value, then here rearranging this way, here 1 upon root n plus 1 is less than epsilon, then squaring on both sides, we get 1 square is 1, root n plus 1 square is n plus 1. Okay, and this is strictly less than epsilon square, so we have to finding n is equal to then 1 upon epsilon square is strictly less than n plus 1, which implies that 1 upon epsilon square minus 1 is less than n, means 1 upon epsilon square minus 1, this term is subtracting 1, their value is strictly less than 1. Okay, their value is strictly less than n, so we have to choose n is equal to, how to choosing n condition is, how to choosing n belongs to I, their condition is n is greater equal this n is greater equal this n. Okay, so here 1 upon epsilon square minus 1 means this term is in this term subtracting minus 1, we get a value of n is greater than this term, so if we adding 1 in this whole term, then value of n is always less equal 1 upon minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here choose n is equal to 1 upon epsilon square minus 1 plus 1. Okay, because since n is greater than 1 upon epsilon square minus 1, then n is greater equal 1 upon epsilon square. So 1 upon epsilon square is equal to n. Taking choose n is equal to 1 upon epsilon square, their value is 1 upon epsilon square. N is greater than 1 upon epsilon square minus 1, which implies that we are adding one integer, we get a value is 1 upon epsilon square. So choose 1 upon choose n is equal to 1 upon epsilon square, 1 upon epsilon square. So n is greater equal n. By definition of epsilon n definition, by definition, for all epsilon greater than 0, there exists n is equal to 1 upon epsilon square, such that mod of Sn minus 0 is less than epsilon for all n greater equal n. Here value of capital N is 1 upon epsilon square. Therefore limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to 0. That is limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon root n plus 1 is equal to 0. There, by using epsilon n definition. Okay, so this is one example.